Are you looking for ways to earn extra income? Welcome to a world where financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reality you can create. In this era, side hustles are not merely options but necessities, with the potential to bring in an additional $3,000 or more per month. Imagine having the flexibility, scalability, and fulfillment that comes with running your own venture. Stay with us as we explore 10 lucrative side hustles you can start today. Now, let's delve into the first 5 side hustles from the article Unlocking Financial Freedom: 10 Side Hustles to Earn $3,000 Monthly in 2024. Our first hustle is freelance writing. For those with a knack for storytelling, freelance writing can be a goldmine. Depending on your expertise and the platform of choice, such as Upwork or Fiverr, you can earn anywhere from $50 to several $100s per piece. To start, work on sharpening your writing skills, a portfolio, and begin pitching to prospective clients on these platforms. Next, we explore online tutoring. With the digital learning revolution, there is an increasing demand for online tutors in a range of subjects, from algebra to alto saxophone. Platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com can help you earn between $20 to $50 per hour, based on your subject matter expertise. Start by pinpointing your specialization, then register on these online tutoring platforms. Our third side hustle is digital marketing. This vast field includes services from search engine optimization to social media management. With the right skills and clients, and using platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, you could be earning over $1,000 per month. To get started, become proficient in digital marketing strategies, select your niche, and build a portfolio to show off your skills. Up next is graphic design. For the creatives proficient in design software, creating logos, brochures, or social media graphics for businesses could be quite lucrative. Your earnings could range from $25 to well over $100 per project. To jumpstart your graphic design hustle, curate a portfolio and start connecting with potential clients. Lastly, suggests selling handmade products online. Whether it's trinkets, candles, or bespoke artwork, the market for unique handmade items is booming. Although earnings can vary significantly, quality products and strategic marketing could lead to a substantial income. Start by determining what you'd like to create and sell, then establish an online store and start marketing your products. These are just a few of the opportunities listed in the article to earn a substantial extra income online. But don't worry, we have more exciting side hustles to share with you. Let's kick things off with pet sitting. Whether you're a dog lover, cat fancier, or bird enthusiast, pet sitting is a fantastic way to make some extra cash while spending time with furry or feathery friends. All you need is a love for animals and a knack for care. You can market your services on specific platforms like Rover or Care.com, or even start your own website. With pet sitting, you could make anywhere from $50 to $100 per day. Next up is home baking. If you have a talent for creating delicious pastries or savory treats, why not turn that into a lucrative side gig? Start by selling your baked goods at local farmers markets or online on platforms like Etsy. Don't forget to spread the word among your friends and social media followers. Depending on the quality and uniqueness of your products, you could earn a tidy sum. Third on our list is fitness coaching. With more and more people prioritizing their health and well-being, fitness coaching is a booming market. Whether you specialize in yoga, HIIT, Pilates, or weight training, you can offer your services in person or online through platforms like Zoom and YouTube. With dedication and effective marketing, a fitness coach can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per session. Number 4 is real estate investing. This might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. With platforms like Fundrise, you can start investing in real estate with as little as $500. It's a great way to earn passive income and diversify your portfolio. Finally, we have creating and selling online courses. If you're skilled in a particular field, why not share your knowledge with others and make money while doing so? Websites like Udemy and Coursera make it easy to create and sell courses on a variety of subjects. With a well-structured course and effective marketing, you could earn a significant income. As you can see, the opportunities for side hustles are as diverse as your interests and skills. As we have seen, there are countless ways to earn extra income and achieve financial freedom. We've explored 10 lucrative side hustles, each with its potential to generate $3,000 or more per month. Whether it's online ventures or creative gigs, the key is to leverage your unique strengths and interests. Remember, with dedication and the right strategy, you too can create multiple streams of income. So, don't wait. Start your side hustle journey today and take a step closer to financial freedom.